Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. We're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started. In today's episode for Tech Tips for Entrepreneurs, we're going to be talking about how to upload videos to your YouTube channel. As you can see, I have my YouTube Studio channel page opened. And to get started with uploading a video, I'm going to go up here to click on Create. And I'm going to click on Upload Videos. Then I'm going to click Select Files. I'm going to find the video that I want to upload. I'm going to click that and I'm going to press Open. Next, you can see that my video is being uploaded to YouTube. It's going to take a little bit of time and you can see the process right here. And while that video is uploading, I can change my title, put in a small description, pick my thumbnail. If I have a playlist I want to put it on, I can click on that right there. And then YouTube has you click if you want to do for child protection. It's going to be, you can say, yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. I'm going to go and click on no. And then I want to click on this, show more, because then you're going to be able to see if this has a paid promotion. You can click on this. You can add your tags right here. Or if you have any type of tag editor, you can use that as well. Then you're going to be able to click on the language and captions, and then a date and a location, what type of license, and a category. These are all important to your YouTube video and make it easier for viewers to find your videos. So I definitely recommend that you definitely put your category and the tags on there as well. Next, once you finish with that page, you can click this button right here, and then you can add in the video elements. So if you have any subtitles, this will become available to use once the video has actually been processed. You can add an end screen right here if you have end screens right here, or any cards that you want to do as well. So an end screen is the section at the end where you can add a next video to watch or a playlist to watch, and cards are going to be those little pop-ups that happen that say like, hey, check on this link or check on this video if you want to know more about this. After you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click next. And then it's going to check to make sure you don't have any copyright issues on your YouTube video. If you do, YouTube will let you know, and you'll need to address those copyright issues before you can finish uploading and publishing your video. After that, you can say when or how you want this video to be seen. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. And then you can do a private video if you only want you and certain people to watch it. Unlisted, which is going to be people with the video link, and then public. Also, there is the scheduling option, which I've talked about in a previous video, and that is how you'll do that right there. If you want to know how to schedule a video, I'll put a link to the how to schedule a YouTube video on this page. All right, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.